Next, let's look into the standard size of the column. Many people says that for G plus 1 building, this is the standard size of the column, and for G plus 2 building, this is the standard size of the column. Till now, we have learned about column and how it behaves under load, and also we have learned about all other structural members under the application of load, how it behaves. So, do you think that without doing proper analysis and design, can we say the size of the column? Can we? I would say no, because it depends on many factors. Like each and every structure is different. So the size of the column which you use for one building will not be same for the other building, because it is different. Totally, it is different. Architectural floor plan and purpose of the structure, everything is different. So here in this video, let me explain you what are all the major factors which influences the size of the column. First, distance between column is the one of the major factor which decides the size of the column. So this distance also depends upon many factors according to the architectural dimension, framing plan of the structure, functionality of the structure. So when the distance increases, column size also increases. For residential building, we can provide up to 8 feet to 27 feet is the distance between two columns. So beyond that we cannot provide, because the column size will become heavy. So in order to avoid that, we restrict to 8 feet to 27 feet. So in this way, the column size cannot be arrived without proper analyzing and designing of the structure. Column size depends on the architectural dimension, distance between columns, loads coming on the structure, height of the structure. So if the height of the structure is increases, that means floor to floor height. And if number of floors get increased, then also the size of the column will get increased. Distance between column is directly proportional to the size of the column. So these are all the factors which decides the size of the column. Here I have a table which shows the column size up to 30 floors. You cannot depend on this. I'm telling you clearly, you cannot depend on this column sizes. Actually, these are all decided based on the thumb rules, but you have to always analyze and design the structure properly. Then only you can come to know the size of the column. First one is ground floor. For ground floor, 9 inch by 9 inch, that is 230 mm by 230 mm, grade of concrete M20, grade of steel Fe415, longitudinal bar 4 dia 12, and tie bar is T8 at 7 inch center to center. So this cannot be applicable for all the ground floors, because each and every floor plans will become different, and instead of 230 by 230, even you can go for 230 by 300 size also if it is required. So these are all based on thumb rules only, so don't depend on that. You can keep it for your reference. Even you can use it for analysis purpose. While doing analysis, you can use these sizes, and then after getting the results, you can just check whether it is satisfying or not, and accordingly you can change the size of the column. Why there is no standard size of the column? I'm telling you again, because it depends on many factors. All the buildings are different, all the functionality of the buildings are different. So it depends on many factors. So you cannot decide the standard size of the column. Safety and stability of the structure is very, very important. So once you analyze and design the structure properly, so that it meets the safety and stability requirements of the structure.